Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert, and I'm going to answer the question, how do I use a Dyson purifier? So you need to plug the machine in first, and then there should be a power button on the top of your machine here, just above the screen. So you want to click on that button and the screen should light up and your machine will be turned on. Now the next thing is your remote. So your remote will have all your functions on it. So I have the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool here. The Dyson Pure Cool Me and the Dyson Pure Cool Tower will have different looking remotes. But basically to get more cooling, to get more fan speed, you want to use the little fan button there. So you can higher it up as high as 10 and it can go down to 1. If you have the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool, the heating function is just with the red button there. So a good thing to do is to spend a few minutes testing out all of the different functions, what all the different buttons do. If you want to get the machine to oscillate, it's just those two arrows there, so the machine will start moving then. It can rotate up to 350 degrees. Another thing to use your purifier, a really good idea, is to download the Dyson Link app, so you can connect your phone, your device, to your purifier, and you can use your phone to completely control and monitor your purifier from no matter where you are. If you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag AskADysonExpert.